Today we're preparing some nice potato curry and chunks. So you would have like 8 nice small potato over here, already chopped up, good to go. And our seasoning today is pretty much we have 1 spoon of Indian curry powder, mostly used by Guyanese people. And we're gonna go ahead and add half of this masala. We could do 1. This is a favorite turmeric herbals. You could put a little of these in any curry. It's really good for health purposes. So we're gonna go ahead and add half of the turmeric. Then we're gonna add half of jeera. It really adds a good flavor to the curry. Not too much. Go ahead and add 1 salt, some MSG, 1/4 spoon. Some black pepper, a little bit of adobo. Pretty much add this in all curry. Nice seasoning. And this pretty much going to be our main seasoning mix. So our oil is hot, so we're gonna go ahead and add our the garlic. We blend all up together in small chop. And add like 1 spoon of garlic and pepper, all blend up. We have here 1 onion chopped up. We're gonna let that fry like 2 minutes. Then we're gonna add our seasoning to fry it up. So we're gonna let that fry like for 2 minutes. Then we're gonna go ahead and add our seasoning mix. Curry now, curry seasoning. I know a lot of people tend to add their mixing with water, but it tends to fry a bit better without no water. So that's what we did here. This needs to fry up good before you even think about adding any water at all. You're gonna let this fry for a minute, then we're gonna add some water. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and add some water now. A little, not too much as yet. Smells really good. So this would be your mixing. So this is our soya chunks. A lot of people tend to put this in a lot of vegetarian food. It tastes really good, similar to liver, but it's just vegetarian. You would not even know. Pretty much, you're gonna go ahead and fry this a little. Looks like real liver, eh? The reason we're preparing vegetarian food today is Diwali. This looks so good. We're gonna let that sit for a little, then we're gonna go ahead and add our potato. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and add our potato now. Now we're gonna go ahead and add some more water. So this is pretty much gonna be our gravy. Potato doesn't take too long to boil, probably 20-25 minutes. Here you go guys, potato curry with chunk. Nice, gonna have this with some nice dal puri and also nice dal and rice. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.